guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Socialitesymone. If you have not already subscribed to my channel, stop what you're doing, click the button somewhere down here and subscribe to my channel. Today we are doing a mini unboxing, and what I have here is a nice little gift from my nice friends at Nike. So we're gonna open it up and see what it is. I already opened it because I'm not trying to go through all that. Whoa, little Jordan action. Let's see what we got here. Nice box. Shout out to Jordan. So, these are hot. These are the Rox Brown sneakers that came out. The fun thing about these sneakers, check that out. Do you guys see that? How fucking cool is that, Rox? I'm so proud of you. This is amazing. Like, get into that. And then they have the little rose back on the back, that little detail. Fun fact, Rox actually has a rose tattoo on the back of her neck. So that's why those are here. They're super cute, comfortable, and they're girly. So that's so much fun. Thank you for watching.